How to change your Facebook page name on your Facebook. If you're struggling to find out how to do that, this video is right for you. Firstly, what you have to do is go on your Facebook app. Now go to your profile, and if you have a page, the name of the page will come right below your name. Now tap on that. As you can see, now there's an option called Edit Page. Tap on Edit Page, scroll down, and tap on the option called Page Info. Here you can change the name of your page. After you do that, hit the Continue button and it will automatically change your name. In this way, you can change your Facebook page's profile name. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.